So just pulled up to the end of the world. We're gonna do some testing. It's almost 10. It's about like 9:30ish, 9:40. I can't tell. I didn't check, but we brought the Rexy out here. Adam brought his Aprilia. It's super fucking quiet. First time ever being out here, and it's so quiet that the fucking quietness hurts my ears. But yeah, back to what I was saying. I've always wanted to come out here. Uh, I used to see like the big dogs race out here ever since I was a kid and shit on fucking YouTube and SoCal street scenes and stuff like that. Finally, I brought my whip out. It's on the sleek ass. Hopefully it does okay. Adam on his bike. You can see we're in the middle of nowhere. But yeah, I just want to get some seat time. Well, I got some unfortunate news. For some reason, this shit don't want to fucking start. I'm not sure if the long drive fucking moved some wiring around or some shit, but I got no cranking signal. And the crank position sensor's there. Every sensor's connected. We ran through the harness.
No, you have no spark.
Well, yeah, we don't have spark. It's no cranking signal. Let's see. I'm really hoping. I ain't really gonna know where to mount the camera, so it's just gonna be here. Is it for starting purposes? Let's see. Nope. Yo, what up, everybody? I'm gonna be 100% transparent. After the end of the world, things did not go the way I expected them to. Like I said in the last clip, the car don't want to start. So as of right now, it's about 1 week after that. The car's still in the same state. I got it here. So tomorrow I'll be working on this. But for right now, this is my main project. So I got the K-swap for the Integra. I got the engine mounts already. I got the shifter cable, shifter box. I basically have everything I need to throw the K-swap in here. So I know it's not the K24, but it's a K-Deuce, and I'm gonna rock with it. It's the regular economy K20, which is cool with me. I'm not really tripping on it. I wanna pressure wash the engine bay. I wanna pressure wash the gunk off of this. You can see it's all caked up on the front and back. I gotta dig in the harness for this right here and get everything situated. I need to see why it's not sending signal to the coils. I changed my main relay. That's not working. I don't know if it's something back here. I don't know. What up? So as of right now, I got everything that I needed to get out, the way. So I took care of the passenger side mount and the driver side mount. I gotta secure the driver side mount with some Loctite or something, so my whole bracket assembly stays secure. Same with the T bracket side. So I couldn't put the T bracket in because I had this little fucking this strap holding up the exhaust. So I gotta take the exhaust off tomorrow. Then I'll be able to put the plate in and the mount right there. But look at that. The eBay special. $115. Seats are in. I gotta shampoo these seats as well. RSX seats in. Dash has to come out. I'm gonna do a deep clean. I gotta get some dry ice to set down on the sound deadening and get that all picked up. Then from there, it's putting the rear seats on. I want to remove the full dash and get down in there and do what I gotta do. But yeah, it's coming along. That's one day of work. Gotta throw the sun visors on and the rear view mirror, but not too shabby. So with that being said, I'm gonna wrap up. That's the end of the video, and I'll tap back in. So peace out.